Hi, friend. I was thinking about people I care about, and that includes you. Are you living the life you truly want? Or does it feel like something is still missing? I'm extending this personal invitation for you to consider, for you, your family, and your friends, an experience that has deeply impacted my own life transformation. I had the privilege of learning from the best global coach ever Miranda. And I've seen him move, touch, and inspire thousands of Filipinos, including me and my family. His workshops has the power to transform lives. Now, this same experience is coming to us through Summit Virtual on August 30 and 31 on a weekend, and it's all online. No traffic, no travel time, and it's very affordable, so you can focus on your personal growth without the stress. It's a rare chance to invest in yourself and the people you care about. If you want more info, just reply how to this message, and I'll send you details. If you decide not to reply, no worries at all. But please consider sharing this with your family and friends. This could be their moment to find out what's missing and reaching the summit of their own lives. Now that you've reached this far, I invite you to stay for a few more seconds to hear me and others share their experience of what it's like to be in the summit.
What is it that you're totally committed to?
To erasing all those negative thoughts and making a commitment to myself to see myself as enough.
I'm committed to working through my fears that are holding me back in my life from doing the things that I need to do. My attempts have yet been unsuccessful.
And you're at the right place.
I'm starting a lot of things, but what I want to give up is just starting, but actually finishing.
Ever Miranda. From transformation to transcendence. He leads others through quantum leaps. De la transformación a la trascendencia.